yeah, they keep cutting in and out. I can't hear myself. Isn't that weird? Do you guys have any questions?
I guess I do. Okay. You still have the ring here?
Yes. It's right here. Dude, I told y'all I wasn't going to take it off. Yes. At meet and greet. I'll be taking everybody's. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Not to sound creepy, but at the hotel, we could hear you practicing were you practicing your dances for Camp Rock? Can you tell us anything about Camp Rock too?
It's going to have better dancing.
Okay.
Yeah, it's way better dancing. There's going to be a rival camp. And, yeah, it's just like, I don't know, you have to watch out.
Is that how you hurt your foot?
No, actually, last week, I, stepped out of my bus and wasn't paying attention and just, landed on it like that. And then I, tried to walk it off for, a week, and then it hasn't healed, so I was like, oh, crap. So I had to go to the doctor today. Yes. Guitar bit? Over here. Run. No, I'm just kidding. I'm totally kidding. No, it's really awesome. But you just have to be prepared that it takes a long time to make it for most people. And I've been working at this for so long. The hard work doesn't stop. So you definitely have to love what you do and make sure that you love it. But
In that case.
yes.
See,
Oh gosh, my foot hurts. So I can't. Yes.
She'd like to know when your birthday is.
2 days.
Yeah.
woo!
Did I say next week?
2 days. Oh, wait, it was 2 days.
I'm I don't even know what day it is. Yes.
Why do you have a Nick Jonas poster in your case over there?
That is not mine. That is not mine. Someone has a Nick Jonas picture?
Yeah.
You. Oh God. It's not mine, I swear. Yes. When did I start playing piano? The guitar. I was 10. Yeah.
What's your favorite song to perform?
Favorite song to perform is Catch Me. Yeah, it's when I get to take
Woo!
and I'm not running around. Yes. When did I start to sing? I was 4. Yes. Any more questions? Yes.
Fun going on TV.
Yes, it is. Thanks, sweetie. Oh. Yes. Penguins are awesome. Who doesn't like finger jokes? Yes, I love cats. Something is wrong with my ligament. I don't know what that means. It's torn or something. I don't know. Yes. Tiffany. Definitely Tiffany. She's I just talked to her on the phone for an hour the other night. She's the closest person I'm closest to on the set. Yes. Sure. They'll grab another guitar.
That's not a good question. Do you have 500 more?
I would totally bat them out, but I don't have actual baggie with all of them, so I don't know where they are. Yes. How much talking do I have?
Dogs.
Songs. I play 17 songs.
Dogs. Dogs.
Dogs. Well, I definitely don't have 17. I have 2. I have one named Bailey and one named Bella, who's here with me. Yes, I think I've got time for 3 more. Yes. Yes, I do. Dad. The band members. All right. Well, first off, we got Drew.
Woo!
Kevin.
Woo!
We got Animal.
Woo!
These all better be equally as loud, because that would really hurt their feelings. This is Mike.
Woo!
This is Anna and Emily. And Alex. Yep. And you.
Last night you Twittered about the 24-hour McDonald's.
Yeah.
I was literally at that McDonald's like 5 minutes before you
No way. How do you know it was the same one?
because I might know where we were staying.
I went through the drive-thru.
I want to know what you got.
Large fry. And their ice cream. Well, I'm a vegetarian now, so I can't eat really anything dinner. But I got their large fry and then like the sweet iced tea.
Yum.
See, yeah.
Yes, last one. My middle name is Devon. That is a really boring answer to end this on. But I will see you guys later. And